Hello everyone, now let's start learning this beautiful resin art, and this is totally for the beginners. Now you need the molds. This is the alphabet mold, this is the diffuser mold. These are the dried flowers that you would be requiring. They come in different colors and packed up. Then you also need the gloves for the protection of your hands. You need, for mixing of the resin and the hardener, the use and throw, glasses, and a wooden stick. You can use an ice cream stick. Now I am using this art resin and the hardener, and I also would require the rubbing alcohol, which I have put up in the mister bottle so that I can sprinkle easily. Now I am taking the dried flowers and I am going to lay out on the alphabet that I am wanting to create. So I am taking the flowers and I am placing it in the V alphabet which I am wanting to create. Now as you can see, I have placed the dried flower. Like this you can place any flower of your choice. Now I am taking the diffuser mold. There are many molds which come in. I have selected this one and I am layering it up with 2 flowers and some leaves on like this. Now I am also going to show you how to mix the resin and the hardener. Now every resin and a hardener has a proportion which is written on its bottle. So this resin and hardener is to be mixed in the proportion of 3:1. So I am taking 3 cups of resin and 1 cup of hardener. You can also do this using a measuring scale if you happen to have it. Mix well for minimum 10 minutes, and the longer you mix the better it will be. But see to it that you mix with light hand. Now I am pouring the solution into my molds and I am spraying the rubbing alcohol on top. This is to remove all the bubbles which could be there. You can add a silver glitter or a golden glitter or gold flakes or silver flakes as per the choice and the thing that you are preparing. Only you need to pour just little less than full so that you can give the top layering after it dries for about 8 hours. See to it that you cover all the corners of the mold and no portion is left out, because otherwise the gaps will show after drying. Now let it dry for minimum of 24 hours. And you will see that they turn out so beautifully like so. Just see how beautiful the flowers are looking, and your resin is ready to use. Just look at the beautiful alphabets that we have prepared, and you can use them for making keychains or any decorative items for gifting.